In today's video, I'll show you how to charge your Redmi Watch 5. This is the Lite version, but this should also apply to any Redmi Watch 5. Now, for this, you'll need the cable that came in the box of your Redmi Watch 5. One end is a full-size USB, and the other end has these magnetic charging pins. So what you'll need to do is connect the USB end to any power outlet. It can be a charging brick, it can be an extension with the USB port. So connect this to power, any source of power that fits this cable, and then this other end goes on the back of the watch. As you can see, these are the charging pins, the charging connectors for the pins. So these pins go here, and they should attach magnetically, and you should see the charging animation, and your Redmi Watch 5 is going to start charging. So that's basically how to charge your Redmi Watch 5. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and God bless.